Well, as you can see here, I just went ahead and started peeling the carpet back. I didn't touch that side yet, but I figured I would go ahead and just show you guys, like, this thing is in absolute terrible shape. You can see right under the seat where the passenger seat would be, rear seat, this is basically a gigantic hole right here. You can just break away all the rust and everything. You can actually see straight down to the ground. Can you see my hand there? Hey, how are you? Again, right here, right in front where the seat would be. So this whole corner is basically like completely rotted out of the thing. When you move over here to the front, I kind of did the same thing. I just moved this trim piece, and you can just see that where the seat would be in the front here is just sort of completely gone. I'm definitely glad that I'm deciding to source a cab. I did find 3 different cabs as of right now, guys, so we're gonna have to stay tuned. I'm gonna obviously pick the cleanest, nicest one. Price I'm not really gonna try to worry about. If I gotta spend kind of real money on a good cab, I will. I just want to make this thing as rust free and as nice as possible. Oh, I could probably peel the whole roof off. Wonder what they want for that thing. That would be a pretty cool project. Not that we need another project. We don't need any more projects. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the channel. Alrighty, boys and girls, so as you guys do know, the cab on this truck is absolutely trash. You can see the gigantic hole right there. We are now going to go to a Hillbilly Wizard. He said he has 3 cabs up there. You guys are going to come along with it. A bunch of people said, hey, take me along when you do journeys and things like that. You like to see that type of stuff. Plus I can kind of get you guys' opinion. I think I am going to replace this fender too, because it is kind of dented in right here where the antenna used to be. So we're going to go up there, see what he's got, and he's got to have stuff that's better than this. There's no way he does not. So jump in the truck, the old Sierra here, or Silverado Z71, and we're going to head north. All right, guys and girls, well, I absolutely love coming here, and it's because it is literally square body central. So this, I'm assuming, is going to be one of my cabs, which looks like it's in pretty bad shape, so we'll probably just completely scratch that one. The other ones may be down there, I don't really know. But let's get up here and meet John. Again, I will put his information in the description down below. It's John from Hillbilly Wizards, and he's got anything and everything you could ever imagine for a square body or a military truck. So definitely check this guy out. Good guy. Actually looks like he's starting to collect Fords up there too. But let's go talk to John. They've got like a little nursing vehicle here, or I don't think nursing's the right thing, but this thing's actually pretty cool. It's actually really, really solid too. I wonder what they want for that thing. That would be a pretty cool project. Not that we need another project. We don't need any more projects. But one of the trucks is over here. He said a black one. So let's go up here and take a look. Oh, yes. I think we have found the truck. This is super solid all across here. There's a little bit of bubble rust here, which wouldn't be terrible. The rockers, he did say it will need rockers. But everything else actually looks really, really good on this cab. Again, the rocker's still kind of in not bad shape, but definitely have to do rockers on this. A little bit of rust here, but the main structure, like where ours is all completely rotted out, it looks like it's in killer good shape. Not much rust across the back. Maybe have to do rockers. There is a little dent here, but our rack that we have on the back of the ramp truck would actually probably stick up high enough, so you'd probably never even see that, but you could probably even tap that out a little bit. I'd be scared to break the back glass here, but you could probably do with that. Let me go ahead and check out the other side here, and we might be making an offer on this cab here. Up across here, it looks like it's actually in really solid shape. I can't see down here. It is obviously up against this car, but everything does appear to be, you know, in really good shape. Not really sure how well you guys can see that, but I think this is going to be our cab, guys. I am freaking pumped. I also like the fact that it is actually a 5-speed and a 4-wheel drive. Maybe we'll see if we can buy this whole unit, and maybe we'll make ours 4-wheel drive. Let me know in the comments down below. I don't really need that extra amount of work, but would a ramp truck 4-wheel drive be worth more money? Definitely something we got to think about. I also wanted to go ahead and give this guy a huge shout out. I have done some things with him before. I did remember I ended up purchasing the gearbox for the Bruce, our lifted Honda Civic project. I ended up purchasing the gearbox from this guy and an engine from him. So great guy, very reliable source for anything that you need square body, military related. I know I've already said that again, but they've got literally everything. I mean, they've got stacks of springs back here, a whole quarter panel. They've got obviously your K5 Blazers. I don't think they do much with Explorers, but they've got cabs on cabs and cabs on cabs. But definitely check this guy out. Again, all his information will be in the description down below. I mean, where do you see stuff like this anymore? Freaking sweet. All right, we're going to go talk to him about making an offer. Oh, there's even a flatbed. So if anybody needs a flatbed, here's a flatbed for sale. I kind of wish the F350 wasn't so tall, because I would definitely make an offer on that. But the fact that the F350 sits up so high, I'd be kind of scared to put a flatbed on it, because it's really going to look tall with a flatbed on the back. Alrighty, he's going to actually pull this out just because I want to check the door seals over there and make sure that the actual pillars aren't shot where the doors mount on. So he's going to pull this out real quick, and I think we could found ourselves a cab, guys. Alrighty, so we did end up checking that cab out there, but by the pedal assembly, it was actually starting to rust out a little bit. So the other cab that we're going to get is actually in way better shape. So we're just going to go through that. He's going to go ahead and pull it in the next couple days here, and then we'll come back up and grab that thing and get it tossed on. I am freaking excited about that. I cannot wait to get this thing going. I also ordered a bunch of diamond plate to go down the side, which they said they're gonna ship it out tomorrow. So I should see the diamond plate in 4 days. I should, hopefully, fingers crossed, be able to get this truck wrapped up within the next week and a half, which is freaking exciting about that. I am pumped. I cannot wait to get this truck done. And again, we're just gonna keep plugging and chugging away at these projects and get them done, wrapped up. And again, I'm not really looking to sell the ramp truck, but if it sells once it's done. That cab's actually in really good shape. It will need rocker panels, which I think we're gonna try to source and we're gonna try to do. But I'm freaking pumped. We found a cab, we located a cab, we bought a cab, all in the same day, all in the same week, actually, from deciding whether or not we're gonna rebuild this or not. So I hope you guys are really enjoying all the content lately. I'm trying to do my best to get as much out to you as possible, because I know I've been kind of dragging my feet lately. Kind of was in a little bit of a funk, but it is what it is. It's part of, you know, life. It's part of being a father, a parent, everything. Sometimes you just go through some things that you need to take some time for yourself. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I gotta hope this thing makes it home. The check engine oil light came on halfway up here. Oil pressure has been seeming okay, but yeah, we're gonna hope for the best. Take care, guys. We'll see you when we get home. Well, check engine oil and low coolant light is still on, but we have finally made it home. So that's going to go ahead and wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. We will be getting the cab later this week and installed. So stay tuned for that video. You won't be seeing any more videos on the ramp truck until we get the cab on there. So hope you guys enjoy the content. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot to mention, guys, we did end up getting the mirror that we needed for the side of the truck. So that's also a win. 25 bucks. I got a pair of mirrors for this truck too. So this thing is going to look freaking cool when we are done. We're going to make it look just like it did rolling off the factory floor in 1983.